In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Instagram on Squarespace. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can easily connect your Instagram profile to your Squarespace website and make it simple for visitors to find you on social media. First, start by logging into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in and you're looking at your site, move your eyes down to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a small gear icon which represents your site settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. When you click it, a large settings pop-up will appear. On the left side of this pop-up, you'll see a vertical panel with different tabs and options. Make sure you're on the tab labeled Website. If you're not already there, click on Website to open the website-specific settings. Within these website settings, look through the list and find the option called Social Links. This is where Squarespace lets you manage the social media profiles that connect to your site. Click on Social Links and it will open a new view showing the social accounts you can add or edit. In this list, find Instagram and click on it. Once you do, another smaller pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, you'll see a text field where you can paste or type in the URL of your Instagram profile. For example, it should look something like instagram.com/your username. Make sure you enter the full correct link to your profile so that visitors are taken to the right place. Below that text field, you'll see an option labeled Show Social Icon. If you want the Instagram icon to appear on your site, such as in your header, footer, or socials bar, make sure this box is checked. This is what allows Squarespace to display the recognizable Instagram logo that links directly to your profile. Once you've entered your Instagram URL and chosen whether or not to show the icon, look for the Save button on the pop-up and click it. Squarespace will save your changes and your Instagram link is now connected to your site. And that's it. You've successfully linked Instagram on Squarespace and your visitors can now easily click through to your Instagram profile from your website.